Welcome to this market overview of the PCB cleaning machines market. Modern electronics demand zero contamination, and PCB cleaning machines are becoming mission-critical. In 2024, the global PCB cleaning machines market is valued at approximately USD 1.85 billion. The market is projected to grow at a CAGR of 6.5%, reaching nearly USD 2.9 billion by 2032. PCB cleaning machines remove flux residues, solder paste, and contaminants from printed circuit boards, ensuring reliability in consumer electronics, automotive electronics, and semiconductor applications. Asia-Pacific dominates with over 48% market share, driven by large-scale PCB production in China, Taiwan, South Korea, and Japan. North America accounts for roughly 22%, supported by aerospace, defense, and advanced semiconductor manufacturing. Europe holds nearly 20% share, fueled by automotive electronics and industrial automation. Latin America and Middle East and Africa together represent under 10%, but are expanding with growing electronics assembly capacity. Growth is powered by rising electric vehicle electronics, expansion of 5G and IoT devices, increasing miniaturization in high-density PCBs, stricter cleanliness standards in semiconductor fabs. However, high equipment costs and rapid technological shifts remain key industry challenges. Bottom line, PCB cleaning technology is essential for next-generation electronics reliability. To know more about our research services, visit www.verifiedmarketresearch.com or reach out to us at inquiries@verifiedmarketresearch.com.